Full steam ahead!
Gordon went faster and faster and faster. Gordon, what are you doing? Gordon paid no attention.
He did it, I'll do it! He did it, I'll do it! Come on, I can read 126. Let's get to 127. Let's get to 127. Let's get to 127. Come on. Good wheels. Oh yes. Keep going.
What does he think he's doing? Sounds like he's jacking off. Yeah, he's probably trying to break that speed record of his. Course, he's only gonna get himself into trouble. Gordon soon reached his full speed, and he couldn't go any faster.
Oh no, let's go faster. Come on, wheels!
Gordon had been so concentrated on getting past 126 miles per hour that he wasn't looking ahead. The signalman hadn't expected him so early, and the line was switched to the harbor instead of the sheds. Gordon was heading for disaster.